Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to quickly show you how to submit a form request using a test attribute. So this is a button attribute. This is a button attribute. So when you click on this button, you notice there's an effect at the page reload. That is to say the form is submitting. A button attribute used to submit a form request, used to submit a form. When you click on it, form is submitted. But when you click on this text attribute, nothing happens. You can notice that nothing is happening. There's no effect on the form. Alright? So that's what I'm going to show you, how you can easily submit a form request using text attributes. So this is a button attribute. You can see the form is loading. Then when I click on this text, nothing happens. Okay, so let's start coding. This is my HTML code, and this is what we are going to be doing is now you can see the button here. This is resend code. Let me show you the resend code. This is the button resend code. You can see it's submitting. Then here it is send new code test attributes. Okay, it's right here, send new code and test attribute. When I click on it, it's not working. The form is not submitting. Okay, but in this video we want to use this test to submit this form. So that way I'm going to show you how to use this test attribute to submit a form request rather than using a button. So we're not going to use button, but we're going to use test attribute. So what I'm going to show you how to use this test attribute. Alright. Okay, so first thing foremost, what I'm going to do right now, we're going to remove all this stuff. Let's move it. Then I save. So let me check. Let me reload the page. Alright, so both of them is no longer present. So let's start coding it. Alright, we'll start with our p tag. Okay, so then we're going to use our, let's say we'll do it this way. I'm going to be fast. I don't want the video to be too long. Alright, we're going to say submit. I'm going to give it a name. Let's say 2FA send new code. Alright, I'm going to give some styles. So we're going to style it. Major style. We'll do inner styling. This is what they call inner styling. Okay. Yeah, let's say send new code. Alright, so let's save it and check and see how it look like in our browser. Alright, so you can see it's coming, it's present right here. You can see it. Alright, so what we can do, we'll give our p tag some style. Alright, let's just read. I'm too lazy. Let me just copy this and use it. Yeah, I'll just do this. Let's see something. Alright, so let's check it. Alright, so good. So now you can see the way it look, but you see there's no effect, it's still not working yet. Alright, so let's proceed. Okay, let me check it one more time. Alright, so this you see is working as a button. Right, see it is working as a button, but we don't want it to look like this. Remember the sample I showed you, so that way we are going to do now. So next, let's give it some styles here. Let me break it down so we can see it properly. So got border to be what? 0. Then put background. Background color. We don't want to have any color. Right, so it's transparent. Transparent. Can put color for the text. Want the text to have color, you can use blue or any color you want, or you can, if you don't like, you can remove that. I just decide to add that color because I want the text to have a color. Then I'm going to use decoration. In some cases, your text editor may be showing autocomplete, but in my case, it's not showing right now. I don't know, but let's continue. Then we'll say text decoration is no, we don't want to put decoration. Okay, so that's it. Let's check it and see how it look like. Let's reload the page. Right, you can see it has changed to a text attribute. You see when you click it, it's not submitting. You can see the way it's working. But one more thing I would like quickly to add to this is when you put your mouse, you see it's not showing click effect. For example, let's check. You see the cursor effect changes to a handle. So when you do it here, it's not changing. So let's add one more code to make it have such effect that show a handle. So let's do that quickly. So to achieve that, we're going to use what they call cursor effects. We're going to say cursor, if you're going to say pointer, and the word pointer. Alright, so let's check it out. Great, you see that it's working. So when I click on it, you see the page loaded. You can see the page load. You can see the page load. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and your loved ones. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Okay, if you have any question or you want me to do more video on tips on PHP and HTML or any programming, please drop a comment below. We'll respond to you.